So we're here with IQMetrix, and we've just found Tara here, and she's standing in front of something that's actually rather cool. We've got here Microsoft Surface, a massive one here, and Tara's going to tell us a little bit about how Microsoft Surface and IQMetrix are going to help people buy their phones in the future.
For sure. So we've got the Microsoft Surface here, and it's actually powered by our software, RQ4. And so this application can be used by a retailer in their store, and it's a really cool tool that allows them to browse products, interact, as well as entertain. So there's games on here, they can browse products. I'll show you how they can browse products here.
Yep.
You can either pull a phone out of the wheel here, like this.
Wow.
It's all motion activated, so you can spin it around any way you want. You can click through, look at the features of that phone, look at the pricing of that phone. You pull another phone out, it's actually going to compare the two phones for you.
That is so cool.
So you can scroll through, compare the features, pricing of each phone. The customer can decide what phone's best for them.
And then let's say, okay, I really like that green phone then. Go on then, let's select it.
If the customer wants decided what phone they like, they want to go with it, pull it out here, they can choose to select customize this phone.
Okay.
So this application actually allows them to build the phone out. So the customer can go ahead, they can select the rate plan that they want to go with. If they're not sure, they can compare this rate plan. This rate plan, it's going to come up and compare the two for you. So it's going to pull the pricing for each, the features of each, and the customer can then decide what rate plan they want to go to.
So far, I see we've got today's total is $40. So that's just the phone by itself.
Exactly.
And then if I'm going to want a calling plan on here, then
they're going to select that rate plan, and they're just going to drag it into their cart, just like a shop cart. It's going to update their total for the day as well as their monthly bill. And then they can go ahead and select the features that they want to add to that phone. So say they want to add voicemail, again, just drag and drop, very intuitive. Voicemail to text, I want to add that as well. It's updating your total as you go along. Then they can choose to go ahead and add some accessories to their phone. Say you want a bit more storage, add a memory card. Now when they build the phone that they're happy with, they're ready to go, they can hit continue. It'll give them a nice summary here of what they've chosen, what their pricing is going to be. And then what they can go ahead and do is continue again. It's going to get sent to the point of sale terminal. So then the retail staff can actually go ahead and check them out, take the payment, and the sale's complete.
and let's say that I'm in the shop and I'm sort of hanging around and I might be interested in buying a phone, but at the moment I'm just waiting for a friend of mine who's paying up his bill or doing. So what can I do then with Surface that would help me pass the time?
The Surface actually also offers a variety of games. For example, a customer can pick the matching game and go ahead, and this game is going to pull products from your database as well. And so it's a pretty fun game. It's going to pull accessories that you actually offer in your store. You're going to hit, and you're going to go until you find matching products. Oh, I think I just saw that one somewhere. There we go. As soon as they get a match there, it's going to come up with the product pricing as well as the description. So it's entertaining your customer at the same time as educating them on your products. Really fun feature. Draws in a lot of energy and attention into your store.
Brilliant. So setting one of these up then, you need to get hardware from Microsoft, and then you guys come in and add your software to it and teach people how to use it.
Exactly.
And then you're all set.
Yes, exactly. And all the data is being pulled right from RQ4 software. So, there's not a lot of there's no manual entry. It's all right from RQ4.
Brilliant. Well, thanks very much for sharing that.
Thank you.